Today I am reviewing the HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E wireless printer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly all-in-one printer for your home or small office, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E is definitely worth considering. This printer stands out as a great choice for users who want fast, high-quality color printing alongside smart connectivity features, all wrapped up in a sustainable design. First off, HP is one of the most trusted brands in the printer market, and the OfficeJet Pro 8125E lives up to that reputation with solid performance. It's designed for busy users who need to print, scan, copy, and even fax documents without fuss. Whether you're preparing business reports, school projects, presentations, or colorful flyers, this printer handles all those tasks smoothly. The printing speeds are impressive for an inkjet. You get up to 10 pages per minute in color and 20 pages per minute in black and white. That means it won't keep you waiting long, especially if you often print large documents. Plus, it features automatic two-sided printing, which helps you save paper and makes your workflow more efficient. One of the highlights is the wireless connectivity. The OfficeJet Pro 8125E supports dual-band Wi-Fi, which means a more stable and faster connection. HP's smart technology even detects and resolves common connection issues automatically. You can print directly from your smartphone or tablet using the HP Smart app, which lets you print, scan, copy, or fax on the go. This makes it incredibly convenient for people who work remotely or need to print documents quickly without accessing a desktop. Navigation is a breeze thanks to the large 2.7-inch color touchscreen. It offers a phone-like user interface, making it easy for anyone to select print jobs, skin settings, or manage printer functions without needing to dive into complicated menus. The printer also includes an automatic document feeder that can handle multiple pages at once, speeding up your scanning and copying tasks. Security is a major focus with this model. HP Wolf Essential Security protects your data and helps keep your printer safe from cyber threats. This is important in today's world where network security is a top priority for both home users and small businesses. The printer also makes sustainability a key part of its design. It's made with over 45% recycled plastic, including ocean-bound recycled plastic, and HP ensures that it can be recycled easily through their Planet Partners program. This helps reduce environmental impact, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious users. Another fantastic benefit is the inclusion of 3 months of HP Instant Ink service right out of the box. And if you activate HP Plus, you get 6 months of ink included. Instant Ink is a subscription service that automatically delivers ink cartridges to your door before you run out, so you never have to worry about running low in the middle of an important project. This service keeps your printing hassle-free and predictable in terms of costs. In terms of capacity, the 225-sheet input tray means you can load a good amount of paper and avoid frequent refills, which is perfect for busy environments. One note to keep in mind is that this printer is designed to work exclusively with HP cartridges that have HP chips or circuitry. It won't accept third-party or refilled cartridges without official HP chips, and periodic firmware updates will reinforce these protections. While this ensures the best print quality and reliability, it's something to be aware of if you prefer using generic cartridges. To sum it up, the HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E is a feature-packed, fast, and user-friendly all-in-one printer that's perfect for home offices, small businesses, and anyone who needs reliable color printing with smart wireless features. Its commitment to sustainability and data security further strengthens its appeal in 2025. If you want a printer that combines performance, convenience, and eco-friendliness, this model is a fantastic choice.